Hi guys. And again, we are here to introduce you the preset which we were working on this week. This preset was chosen by you in our weekly poll. Thank you so much for your votes. You can download this preset absolutely for free. You need just to find a password which appears twice during the video, right over there. If you have any troubles about that, find the instruction below the video, and you'll get it for sure. Also, we made the same color correction for video. So now you can have your photo and video content in one style. Which is awesome, isn't it? You are able to use this loot in any video editor you got. Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut and even VN Editor for mobile phones. You can find the link to the video loot down below in the description. Guys, if you need the preset right now, if you have no time to watch this video and repeat after me or look for a password to download it for free, you can just go to our website presetstore.com and find your favorite color correction there. It's not for free but it's worth that. Every presets contains from 3 to 6 versions for PC and mobile platforms of Lightroom. Check it out guys. Okay, when I said everything what I wanted to say, we can start working on this preset.
Tear me down, light the fires all around. Touch your skin, turn to ice. All we are, sacrifice. Why does it feel like I'm dreaming?
That's it for now. Your preset is ready. Let's look at other photos to make sure the preset fits great on it. Have a nice day, guys. See you next time.
You left me, you left me. Broken but half alive. You left me, you left me. Broken but half alive. Broken